Hi, I'm Michael Fosdick, Field Agronomist with Pioneer. Today I want to talk about cover crops. Whether it's a carbon market, a soil conservation incentive program, or we just have a general desire to increase soil health, there's a lot of things to consider when it comes to cover crops. Are we going to plant a winter hardy species or a winter kill species? Generally speaking, ahead of corn, I would recommend planting a species that is going to winter kill. Are we going to drill that cover crop, or are we going to consider an aerial application with a drone or an airplane? Termination, are we going to terminate before or after planting? Generally speaking, if we're new to cover crops especially, I would look at considering terminating that cover crop 2 weeks ahead of planting. We need to take a look at the planter. We have more residue now to process. Do we have the appropriate row cleaners, down pressure system, and closing wheel system on that planter to make sure we close that seed trench and maximize our seed to soil contact? Last but not least, our nitrogen management. Especially ahead of corn, we need to make sure we have a nitrogen source available for that young corn seedling early on in the season to make sure we can overcome any carbon and nitrogen tie-up from that cover crop. It's important that we have a plan, and we have a plan to set ourselves up for success, because at the end of the day, we need to make sure we maximize profitability. Good luck next spring, and thanks for planting Pioneer.